Hello traders, in this video we are going to be talking about the types of forex brokers. All right, understanding broker types is essential because it affects how your trades are executed. All right, so there are two main uh, categories. Okay, we have the dealing decks and the non-dealing decks. All right. So now the dealing desk brokers, often called market makers, create their own internal market. Right. When you place a trade, the broker may take the opposite side. Okay, so this doesn't automatically mean manipulation. It simply means they provide liquidity directly. So they usually offer fixed spreads and fast execution, but there can be conflicts of interest. Okay. Then the non-dealing desk brokers, on the other hand, connect your trades to external liquidity providers. This category includes the ECN and the STP brokers, right? Okay. So the just put this here. Okay, so the ECN, or the Electronic Communication Network brokers, connect traders directly to a network of banks and institutions. Prices come from multiple sources, resulting in tighter spreads, but often with a commission. ECN trading is known for transparency and real market conditions. Then for the STP, called straight through processing, this kind of brokers route your orders directly to liquidity providers without intervention. They may mark up spreads slightly, but don't take the opposite side of your trade. All right. So in simple terms, market makers equal to internal execution, STP equal to routed to liquidity providers, and then ECN equals direct access to interbank market. Now, choosing a broker depends on your trading style. Scalpers often prefer ECN for tight spreads, you know, while beginners may prefer market makers for simplicity. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.